Hi, everyone, and welcome to our last class together. I can't believe how quickly it's all gone by, and hopefully how much we've all learned. I know that I sure have learned a lot throughout this process and this course, so thank you very much for all of that. In today's lesson, it's really the last class, as we know. So it'll basically be a summary and really what to do next. Although the course is now finished, that doesn't mean that your project has to be. And if you wish to continue your project, treat the last month as like our version one of the project. Now that you've sort of been introduced to the various steps within the design thinking process, you can kind of go back and forth between them. Remember, this is an iterative process. These are all different phases, so it's really not linear. So you're going to want to go back and forth. And often when products or other things are being designed, whether it's communication design, product design, whatever, you go through multiple iterations. It's not just one sort of straight shot. And as you can see throughout this diagram, it's kind of like you're going around a few times. So if you wish, continue that, and if not, well, thank you very much for the course and everything like that and taking it, and I'm very glad that you had the opportunity to learn a little bit more about design. Well, just remember that if you do want to sort of go through the steps again, you must reflect, revisit those sort of phases and the steps that we've been through, and then implement as well. So doing that work. So today's lesson will really mostly be a summary and a kind of what to do next with your project if you want to continue that. And we also have a TED Talk where we have Tim Brown talking, and he's a design icon who works for IDEO, and I believe we've talked about them before. Anyway, he's an early adopter of design thinking, and in this video, he really talks about the power of design thinking in a really big way. Its history before it was really even coined design thinking, and everything is very sort of like holistic, where he talks about the past, present, and future. So it's very big picture kind of stuff. Um, he also really covers design thinking's ability to solve problems that aren't your typical design issues or problems. So it's not really a product design related, but more so of a system, especially how design can solve really, really big problems. It's interesting to see what can be done with design, which he kind of talks about a little bit, and the future of it as well. Although the video is a bit dated, his words still speak volumes today. And sometimes I guess you'll learn here that design is more than sometimes just products and communication design. So enjoy.